Hello soulmate, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning something very exciting. Have you been wondering how to make a 3D cargo pants pocket? Here we have a detailed tutorial on how to make it. So do stick around, watch this video to the end, give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share this video. To make this pocket, we're going to be needing a long piece of fabric, let's say half yard. So for the main pocket, we're going to be taking our measurement. The length is 10 inches, while the width is 6 inches on fold. Now for the border of this 3D pocket, the length is going to be 28 inches. While the width is 3 inches. For the pocket cover, we're going to be placing the fabric on fold as shown, and the length is going to be 8 inches, while the width will be 2 inches. And we're going to be needing 2 pieces for this pocket cover. Here are the 3 pieces that we'll be needing to make this 3D pocket. So for the main piece of the pocket, I'm going to fold it and notch the middle. From the middle point, I'll take 2 inches on both sides, the top and also the bottom. Now from one mark to the other, we're going to be bringing the plate to the middle, and it's going to be a kissing plate. When you are done, this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is how the back is looking like. You can decide to use the back as the front, whichever way you want it. Now, so for the bottom part, I'm going to stitch it. For the upper part, I'm supposed to fold it like 1 inch fold, so I forgot to do that. So if you're making yours, please fold the upper part and you can just tack the lower part. Now for the border of the pocket, I'm going to be using my pins to pin it around the pocket, and we're going to be sewing with 1/2 inch. I'll take this to my sewing machine and I will sew with 1/2 inch. After sewing, this is what my pocket look like. I'm going to top stitch on the right part of this pocket. So this is what we have after top stitching. I also went ahead to iron this out. We're going to be placing the pocket cover right sides facing each other, the 2-piece. I'm going to hold it down with my pin. Now I'll take this to my sewing machine and I'll sew it round and also top stitch it. Now after sewing and top stitching, this is what the pocket cover looks like. I'll take a piece of black fabric and I'll just be demonstrating how to attach this pocket to your actual outfit. I'll mark out my pocket on the black fabric as shown. Use your iron to fold half an inch on the border of your pocket because we're going to be sewing it on our main fabric. So after marking, we're going to be placing the pocket like this, and we're going to be stitching it round. Remember, we are stitching the border of the pocket. So when you get to the bottom part, that edge, you can just give it a tiny pleat if you have any trouble passing that place. So you can just fold it a bit and you stitch around. After stitching, I'm going to close the main pockets as shown. I'm going to attach it to the border of the pocket, and I will stitch it down by 1 inch. I'm going to be doing it on both sides so the pockets can relax perfectly. At this point, I still haven't figured out my mistake. So I'm going to be attaching the pocket cover and also top stitch the top of the pocket. These are the two things I forgot to do. So I will just lose this after sewing it. This is just for illustration purpose. I'm going to be attaching this pocket to a short pants that I'm making. You're going to see the tutorial soon. So I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.